Okay, once you get the holes cleaned up for the battery with a solder sucker or a copper braid, and you got your battery holder here, you'll notice this side's positive. I don't know if you can see that. And on the battery holder, the back of it is the positive side. You stick it in there, grab a piece of masking tape, just put it right on there to hold it. Okay. Flip over the board, and you'll see the pins sticking out of the holes. Grab your soldering pen, and heat up the pad and the pin at the same time, and put a little bit of solder right on it. Pad and pin at the same time. See? Just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. Yeah. Now let it get nice and smooth onto the pad. Some of the solder will go through the holes down to the front, and you want both sides to get soldered. Flip it over, pull off the masking tape, and stick your battery cell, coin cell battery in there, and you're good to go.